Local news for Thursday, the 16th of April. Wairarapa went from 1 to 5 and then to 8 reported cases of COVID-19. And while testing continues, there have been no further confirmed cases in Wairarapa, the only region thus far to have 8 patients fully recover. Despite the lockdown, the real estate industry was busy in March. Over 100 properties were sold across Wairarapa. In Waka Kotahi, New Zealand Transport Agency is inviting the public to have their say on plans on a new highway to replace the closed State Highway 3 Manawatu Gorge route. The Wainworks resource consent applications for Te Ahu o Turanga Manawatu Tararoa Highway are now open for public submissions until 4:45pm on the 24th of April. And the future of Masterton Tenny Lake is being discussed via submissions at Masterton's District Council for their annual district plan, which has submissions closing on Monday. The lake is currently fed through a water race from the Ruahanga River and is allowed through a resource consent granted by Wellington Regional Council. However, the consent has expired and the Masterton District Council are currently looking for options for the replacement of the consent through the Environmental Regulations Manager. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.